Quack, quack. Hi, my amazing little learners. I'm Professor Quackers. Today, we're going on a quacktastic adventure to learn one super special letter. Ready? Here it comes. It's the letter A. Can you say A? Awesome. Look at this. This is the big letter A. See how tall and proud it stands? A, A, A. And over here is the little letter A. The big A and little a are best friends. Always stick together. Now, here is the really fun part. The letter A makes a very special sound. Listen close. A! Your turn. Say it with me. A! One more time. A! Fantastic! Fantastic! You sound incredible! Okay, here is a secret trick to always remember the letter A. Look very carefully. The big letter A looks like a tall mountain with a little bridge right in the middle. See the mountain? And there is the bridge. A is for mountain. Now you will never forget. Get it? Now let us find some words that start with the letter A. First up, A is for apple. Say it with me. Apple. A is for alligator. Alligator. A is for airplane. Zoom, 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 airplane. And A is for ant. Tiny little ant. Amazing! You already know 4 A words. Now let us write the letter A. Watch very carefully. Start at the very top. Draw one line going down to the left. Then draw another line going down to the right. And now draw one little line going across the middle. You did it! That is a perfect uppercase A. Practice makes perfect. Time for a game. Can you find something that starts with A? Look at all these pictures. Is it the apple? Is it the dog? Is it the car? Or is it the alligator? Think carefully now. You found it! That is right! The apple and the alligator both start with the letter A. You are so smart. Quick review time. What letter did we learn today? That is right, the letter A. And what sound does it make? A. And what shape does it look like? A mountain with a bridge. You are incredible little learners. And always remember, learning is quacktastic. See you next time for another exciting letter. Quack, quack, bye-bye.